Okay, guys, so let me start by introducing Burntune to you and sharing my screen. Right, so Burntune is basically an idea of having an online community of people, right, from different parts of the world, different cultures, or even different backgrounds in the same country, right, come together and work on learning music online, right? Uh, so the idea is that there are two types of music learning. One, traditional, which is rote method, where you have to learn a fully new script or a fully new thing by the book, right? Which doesn't help if you don't have musical aptitude, right? The idea is to develop musical aptitude, which is by the ability to sing songs, by the ability to keep rhythm, and using those well developed abilities to then pick up your instrument and learn at a super fast rate, right? That you wouldn't have been able to do otherwise, right? Okay, and why are we doing this online? Because we have seen this work. I have students who joined in like a month or so. They had an ability, and I quickly found out ways by which their already musical capabilities can be used in their instrument. Because
Okay.
if you're a person who doesn't know how to sing and you play the guitar, right, that means you're tone deaf. Somebody sings something, you wouldn't know what to play. You have to sit and learn a book for like a day or two,
Yeah,
maybe,
yes.
right? So anyway, so that's the whole idea. And right now, what we're doing is we're doing a lot of free workshops and all that. So as a part of this, do become a part of a community group where we are learning from each other. Right now, this is not like I said, classical. We are going to be sending you some assignments, some tasks for which we'll expect return, because if you're not giving back output,
Of
right, how
course.
do we know, like, you're
Yeah.
progressing, right? And yeah, so let me just take you through one of the lesson plans that we have here to give you a better idea, right? So there are three things in music everybody knows. Maybe not everybody knows. They know what it is by the book, but what it means is a different question, right? uh Hold on, just give me a minute, guys. uh Gulshan, can you hear me? Gulshan, can you hear me? Gulshan, I have given a Zoom link in the WhatsApp group. Okay, can you join over there? Okay, great, awesome. See you there. See you there. So my Zoom link was still my meeting link was still active. That's how I realized. Right? Okay. Yeah. So rhythm is one thing, right? Your ability to keep rhythm basically, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and takadimita, 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 whatever it is, your ability to grasp that via your mouth, via your hands, via your body is what will take you to the next place in music, which is melody. Now, we all have heard, like, like notes are A, C sharp, B flat, A flat 9, something that can get confusing, for a beginner, right? But at the end of it, everything is basically an alteration of this. Sare Gama Pa Dha Ni Sa, right? So for example, regularly you would learn this string, this fret, this string, this fret, then play like this, like this, like this. No. First, I want you to sing the happy birthday ka pattern, which should be like this. Sa sa re sa, ma ga, sa sa re sa, pa ma, right? I can say it. That means I can rhythm it out. That means I can manifest it onto an instrument, right? So keeping it very simple to just melody and not even looking at the complicated sharps and flats in the beginning, right? Finally, we'll look at a little bit of harmony, which is basically chords. Nothing more than keeping it simple, like a simple chord like this. Spider-Man, right? This is a shape, and you gotta, right. This is your harmony. Now you can sing anything. Just understanding how to do this, right, should then take you to the basics of not only what the basics of a guitar is, but also what the basic of music is. Okay, so I will stop over there. I know I've been chatting for a long time. Was that too much, guys? Are you like
No, no, no.
No, it's okay.
rocket science, or is it like Teletubbies?
No, it's
There.
fine.
All good. Okay, great. Gulshan, you've joined us. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. I'm
Hey,
here.
hi. Can we see you? Is that fine?
Yeah, yeah, just a minute.
Awesome, awesome. Hello, hello, Gulshan. Hi. Thank you for joining in. I know you joined in a little bit late, but what we were doing is we were looking at basically what we should be able to do in this class with regards to music. We looked at some basic concepts of music that we will be trying. Just give me 1 second. There's another person in the Google Meet. Mudit. Mudit, you should come to the Burntune link that I shared in the group. That's where we are. Yeah, okay, Burntune link, Zoom. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what we will do is we'll do a quick round of introductions amongst all of ourselves, and this is how we will introduce ourselves. Okay, like so. Let me start with me. There are 3 pointers we'll talk about: our name and location, right? Which is basic, right? Something weird about us that we don't want other people to know, but our best friends know. So it's not that weird, also, right? Okay. And third, you have to tell a poor joke, right? Okay, a poor joke, right? Doesn't matter. You don't have to invent something right now. It's a poor joke. So. Right, cool. So 3 things. One is name and location, right? One is something weird about you which you don't like to tell people, but it's like not too weird. And the third thing is tell us a poor joke, right? Mudit has joined the meeting. Hi, Mudit.
Hi, sir. Hi, everyone. Hi, how are you doing?
So we are playing tag, and introduce yourself, right? So I'm gonna tag. Who should I tag? I'm gonna tag Mudit only because you came late. Name and location, something weird about you, poor joke.
What's the third thing?
Poor joke.
Poor joke. Okay.
Yeah.
My name's Mudit. I'm currently living in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, and I am from Delhi, but I live here in Tamil Nadu right now. So, what's the second thing? Weird joke.
Something weird about yourself.
So I'm getting a call from Moksha. Just a second.
Okay, go ahead. No problem. Please talk to Moksha. I have to come here. Okay, cool. I'll tag Chandan then. Chandan, why don't you go ahead?
Okay. My name is Chandan Sani, and I am currently living in Delhi. Weird thing. I like to keep my cube scrambling in the hand always, and I can't think of any poor joke right now.
That's such a poor joke because none of us laughed. Congratulations. Awesome. Tag somebody.
Okay, I would tag Srinidhi. Next.
Okay, so my name is Srinidhi. I am from Chennai, currently living in Chennai. Weird thing about me is, so I was brought up in North India, in Delhi. My dad was in Air Force. So what I do is whenever I speak, I kind of tend to think in 3 different languages. As in, I start off speaking and then I kind of put words in Hindi, Tamil, and English together.
I can relate with you. I really can.
Yeah. And I can't think of any poor jokes now, but I'll try to come up with something before the meeting ends.
Nice. So she's setting up the ending of the meeting for us. Thank you for taking care of the grand.
No, I'll have to Google.
Okay, great. Srinidhi, tag somebody.
I would like to tag Rohit.
Okay. So my name is Rohit Ripai, and I currently live in Bangalore from Karnataka. Weirdest thing about me is everyone tells enjoy the show, enjoy the song, but I'm like just going through the song whole thing. I'll cut the whole song and see what all are there in that. Like I'm kind of a nerd, music nerd. Yeah, I don't enjoy. I like to what you tell in medical science, dissecting the whole thing. It's like that. Yeah, that's about it. That's it.
Sorry guys, Moksha was in the other call, so I quickly told her to import here. Great. Rohit, tag somebody.
Who is there? Mudit only.
Gulshan.
Oh yeah, Gulshan.
Hello everyone, my name is Gulshan and I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Weirdest thing about me, while studying, I like tally corner of the paper and put it in my mouth. Sometimes it happens. Some poor joke is something I stole from a WhatsApp message. Um, what do you call a fake pasta? Imposter. So yeah, from the okay, don't laugh, please. It's a word joke.
No, good one to remember right now. Gulshan, where are you from?
Yeah. Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Chennai. Got it. Okay,
Yeah.
so we can tag Moksha.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Moksha, you just joined in. Okay, so what we are doing is we all introduce ourselves, right? Don't worry, I have a recording of this call. So you have to introduce yourself now. You have to tell us your name and location, something weird about you, not too weird, right? And a poor joke. I'm sorry, I know you didn't meet everybody right now, but we are gonna quickly say who we are, right? Or you can keep it simple. You look taken aback.
Okay. So I should start with my.
Just tell us about you.
What you told me?
Just tell us about you, where you from, and
Okay,
something
so,
weird about you. Simple, just to keep it the environment light.
Okay. So okay, I'm an ambivert person. This is the weird thing about me, and sometimes I'm extrovert, sometimes I'm introvert, like that. And my name is Moksha. I'm from Mumbai. What else? What weird thing about me? I love to learn different languages, and yeah. So
Amazing, thank you, Moksha. I'm
what
sorry.
else can I say?
I'm sorry.
I'm out of my words.
I know. I feel like you've been put on the
can't
spot
know
just
this weird
now.
thing about me. Yeah.
I know you've been put into spot right now, but that's okay. That's okay. So great. So we all got to know a little bit about each other. Okay. Yeah. So I will quickly introduce you to everybody. Srinidhi here is from Chennai, wants to learn guitar. Chandan is here from Delhi, wants to learn guitar. Rohit is a guitar teacher with us. We both teach our students guitar in a kind of a different way. Gulshan is from Chennai, right? So we are all basically here to learn this wonderful instrument, right? Okay, wait, there you go, right? So to do this, what I wanted to talk about, the first most important thing was timing, right? So what we will do is, to start off your journey, we're going to come together as a group 8 times this month, right? Each session is going to be no longer than 30 minutes, right? And it won't be sessions where I'll tell you to, okay, start with finger scale practice. Full 30 minutes will go waste. No, okay? I will ask you to musically prove that you have developed an ability to music. For example, I want to see how many of you people can do this. Simple, okay? Right? How many of you can do that? Like,
yes.
So some people are like, I think I didn't get a proper no or yeah. Everyone can do that, right? Cool. Now tell me how many of you can do this? Can you hear that? Did you hear that? How many of you can do that? You figure it out, right? See, the idea is, if you can, like for example, the beat that I was playing, I have that feeling already in me, right? Because I can sing it, I can play it, right? Which is the same thing I will do with the guitar, right? So exactly what you heard, I would play like. For example, right? And then another idea is, how many of you can say sa sa re sa?
Sa sa re sa.
You can say sa sa re sa. Can you say it like I said? Sa sa re sa, sa sa re sa, sa sa re sa. Can you say it like that, Chandan?
Sa sa re sa.
Repeatedly.
Sa sa re sa, sa sa re sa, sa sa re sa.
You see, your ability to keep rhythm right now is in your mouth. Once you have it in your mouth, right? You can do it like this. This is basically sa sa re sa. Right? Let me try somebody else. Are you ready? Volunteer or victim? Who wants to volunteer? No one, nobody. Gulshan, you want to
What's
volunteer?
up?
I want a volunteer actually in the group. Anyone
Yeah,
person.
okay.
For
What
what?
should I do? Yeah.
Okay, so I picked Gulshan. Okay,
Yeah.
Gulshan. So you gotta say this. Okay. Sa, sa re ga re sa re ga ma ga re sa.
No.
Do you know the sa re ga ma?
Yeah, I just know Sarigama Padanisa. Yeah.
So what was the sequence? I did a 1,
Sa, re,
1,
sa,
2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2,
3,
1.
1.
Same thing. You try. Only till ma.
Sa, re, ga, re, sa, re, ga, ma, ga, re, sa.
Right? You see, right now you hitch out. I don't know if that's a word you like you got stuck, right? So if I tell you to play this on the guitar, you won't be able to.
Mm.
You get my point?
Yeah.
Right? So this is exactly what I'm trying to teach you, right? I'm trying to develop your motor abilities in a way that you would learn in school. Like for example, how many of you know this song? We shall overcome, right? That was music education, right? It made you feel good. It made you move your body. It made you like think, oh, okay, feel, if you're happy and clap your feet, jump. If you're happy and clap your feet, jump. 3, 4, 3, 4, right? So that's what we are gonna work on for these 8 months, where I take you through certain musical concepts, and because you all are adults mostly, you'll grasp it faster. But implementation, I will make you responsible for by one big sound project at the end of the 8 sessions that we have. Does that sound good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. I know I've been talking a lot, right? So now I'll be asking you, can you give me a common time in this group, right? I see Srinidhi, Chandan, Gulshan, and Moksha. The 4 people here. Common time. Now, for me to establish this common time, okay, Rohit is also here with us. We can take a slot, we can discuss timings and all. I would ask you to think of 2 things, okay? People work 10 to 8, people go to school 10 to 8, even tuitions maybe, right? So the comfortable time within which I operate, and obviously Rohit also is going to operate and help me make it possible in the evening times, right? Is before 10 in the morning. It can be as crazy as 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., right? And after 8 p.m. in the evening, which can be as crazy as 11:30 p.m. Okay, I'm not asking you to go to some dark street in Nigeria. I'm asking you to come online at home. Okay, so just to tell you the window. Now, I would just like to know what would be preferable times for you. So say mornings or evenings, and probably the time. Okay, so maybe you can all send it in the chat. Okay, can I just drink some water and come back? Yeah, okay, cool. Can you guys chat? Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can. Okay. I see a coming of Srinidhi. She says Tuesdays, Fridays, Thursdays. Okay. Moksha and Gulshan, have you shared views? Evenings 9 to 9:30 or any time after 10:30. Okay. Moksha is still thinking. Evening after 9:30. Okay. Got it. Evening anytime, evening Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, evenings, guys, evenings win apparently. And I see that 9 majority wins, right? 9:30 is cool. Huh? Yeah. Okay. I have taken you guys' views. And Srinidhi, there's some reason why only on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays you're available.
Yeah. So Monday and Wednesday I have dance classes.
At what time?
I have 7 to 8:30.
Okay. what if we hold our class at 10?
That is
That's okay? If it's a
Yeah.
Monday? Okay, because I'm just checking with my schedule also. I don't want any clashes.
Yeah,
That's
sure,
why.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, great. So Gulshan, Srinidhi, I'm just writing down in a piece of pen and paper. Can't type, you forget stuff. Chandan, Moksha. Awesome, guys. All of you all have an instrument, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And Moksha, you have a laptop?
Sir, I have laptop, but sometimes it's not working, so I'm comfortable with
Okay, fine,
phone.
fine. So phone, like you have to keep somewhere
Yeah.
else while both your hands are busy on the guitar.
Yes. That I'll manage. Yes, that I'll manage.
Awesome, awesome. Maybe you can
Yeah.
keep a ring light like this. I don't know. I'm not sure. This helps me a lot.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, great.
I have a stand. Yes, I have a stand. Yeah.
You have a stand. All right, cool. So guys, I am looking at 10 p.m. mostly Tuesdays and Fridays, mostly, but I have to just check. Otherwise, I'm looking at it as Mondays and Thursdays, right? So today is a Monday, don't count today. Monday and Thursdays. Any of these two are cool with you?
Both are cool.
Yeah, 10 p.m. No one seems to be rebelling or creating strike. Awesome. Thank you, guys. You're so cool. All right. So now, before we end the call, okay, we just want to tell you a particular ritual that we'll do whenever we come together. This is just so that 4 people here, right? We'll have one more. We'll have one more person join the group because we have 4. We'll have 5 people, right? We every time we come in the morning, right? Like when the class starts, we'll have to say one poor joke. Right, so you have 2-3 days in between classes to think of a poor joke that you will bring. That will be a starting session. Okay, at the end of the session, one person in the group will have to perform something. You can sing, you can play a melody, you can play a chord progression, you know, you can I'm not sure. Chandan, your eyes went big for some reason.
No, it's fine.
It's cool. We just want to keep it super humble, and we want to make it performance based. I want you guys to go onto the stage, right? Perform. So this is where we start, right? So remember, like for example, if we meet on day 1, it could be Chandan, right? On day 2, it could be Gulshan. Day 3, Srinidhi. Day 4, Moksha. Day 5, Mudit. Then I will also do a performance for you guys, right? Cool.
Yes.
Guys, any questions? I mean, like you guys like ask questions, you know. Elon Musk is like, if you're not asking questions, you cannot be a part of Tesla. You have to keep innovating, right?
Hey, so
So,
I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yes.
What if you don't find a poor joke? What do you do then?
What if I don't find a?
Poor joke before the class. What do we do then?
Like you say a very serious joke and hope people laugh.
Yeah, sure, done.
Okay, great. Awesome. Cool, guys. So I you guys are excited about this? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. I wanted to create an online community that's kind of like a fellowship, you know, kind of like a journey of people going together. So you are helping me start it, believe it or not. We have been trying to kick this off since December, and you guys are finally here. So thank you so much for the support, and looking forward to having a great time with you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for doing this for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.